In this video, I'll show you how to move crypto from Coinbase to Metamask. First, open the Metamask app or browser extension and sign into your wallet. Select the cryptocurrency you want to receive, then make sure you're on the correct blockchain network. Copy your wallet address by tapping or clicking your account address at the top of the screen. Now, open the Coinbase app or website and sign into your account. Tap or click Send, then choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Next, paste your Metamask wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check that the address is correct and make sure you're sending the crypto on the same network that's selected in Metamask. Sending funds to the wrong network can result in a permanent loss of your crypto. After that, enter the amount you want to send. Review the network fee and all the transaction details, then tap Preview Send and confirm the transfer. Now, wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. Depending on the network you're using, this may take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. Finally, return to Metamask and check your balance. If your tokens don't appear automatically, you may need to import the token manually using its contract address. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to move crypto from Coinbase to Metamask. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.